Hi y'all, Destiny is over here and she is going to cook for me and Papa. Now what she's creating I have no idea because I'm going to let her tell you.
Good morning everybody, or it's afternoon technically. So Nana just had eye surgery, so I'm over here cooking for Nana and Papa so they don't have to cook dinner. So I am making, I'm all over the place. I'm making something called chicken, it's a chicken squash and zucchini casserole. They didn't have any zucchini, so we only have squash. So right now I cut up, oh my god, can you see that? I cut up chicken and I'm seasoning it. You can season it with whatever you like. I throw literally the whole kitchen sink into it. So just season it however you like, and then you're gonna put it in a hot skillet with oil and you're gonna cook it. Okay, so the seasonings that I'm personally using is garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper. I used, it's called Greek, I have to bend down. It's called Greek purpose seasoning. And then the roasted garlic and herb seasoning. So this is what it looks like all seasoned. Usually I put oil on it and season it that way and mix it up, but she put the oil in the pan, so I'm gonna mix it up. And they're a little bit older, so I'm not gonna like make it so spicy and so much seasoning, so this is what we're working with. Okay, so skillet's hot. You're gonna go ahead and put your chicken in. Wash dishes as you go. Yes, sir.
Yes, Papa.
Next time when you buy squash, always try to buy the smaller ones.
Okay.
The bigger they get, the tougher they are.
Okay, I didn't know that.
That's cause you're young and dumb.
So you have to rinse off your vegetables.
Why?
You're supposed to do a salt water bath or a vinegar bath. We're not doing that.
For what?
For bugs. And you gotta clean
bugs
it.
Don't like salt water or vinegar.
Exactly.
Why are you doing it for them?
To kill them. Because these come from the fields. There you go. There's your history lesson. Wash your vegetables.
With Papa in the background. Now you got dirt on that.
Well, if you wash off all the dirt, then they don't have any vitamins and minerals in them.
No.
Then you have to take your daily vitamins.
You know you're in the video.
We help them get one first.
He said he's helping. There. You can cut your squash however you want to cut your squash. I'm going to cut my squash how I want to cut my squash. So don't say nothing.
Y'all can say whatever you want to. Just don't hate her.
Yeah, I'm sensitive. That's why I don't make that many videos. What is it, Baba? So you're supposed to have zucchini, obviously, but because I don't have none of that, and they didn't have none of that at the store, we're just using squash, but you can use zucchini in it.
We're going to take an intermission. Look at Lawson. With that bottle. He got this fitting up going on. But look at that cutie pie. Isn't he cute? Say hi, darling. Yeah, look at him smile. Look at Lawson smiling. That's my boy. Yeah, we gotta have him in the video. Yeah. Say hi. Talk to the people. Talk to the people. They love to see you. They love to see you, darling. Yeah. Yeah, they joke to people. He's such a happy baby. Okay.
Onion, it's literally however much you want. It doesn't matter. Measure with your heart. What are you doing, Lawson? And obviously this is not how you cut either. One day I will learn how to cut. That day is not now. You drain your chicken out. Take your chicken and then you put your squash, zucchini, mushrooms, peppers, anything you want, but we're using squash and onion. You're gonna put this in here. You're gonna season it with salt, pepper, garlic, anything that you want. I'm using salt and pepper. And then you're gonna add all of this in together once it's cooked down a little bit. You'll know that it's cooked down when these onions, oh, that pan's hot, when these onions turn translucent. Do you have oil? Okay, so this oil contraption, you spritz it with oil. And then you mix it and you add a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. What is it? Mixing bowl, and you are gonna put one whole package of stuffing in it. It doesn't matter what kind. So put that in. You're gonna take 1 can of cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, whatever you want. If there's different creams of something, put that in there. Okay, I don't use every single part of it, but you know what I mean. So we're gonna mix this up real quick.
I got some cream of possum back there. You want to put that in there?
I don't know about that.
It's being helpful.
Okay, so now you're supposed to take like half a cup of this, but I don't use that much. I just measure with my heart. So put in as much as you feel like is right. Like that. I don't know how much that is. Mix
What
it.
was that you put in?
Sour cream. Okay. So it looks crazy right now, but it'll be okay. So now you're gonna take your chicken that you skilleted. Skilleted, is that even one? Mix that in.
Okay, skilleted. Okay, we're learning new things.
And now you're gonna take your squash, zucchini, mushrooms, whatever you're making, and you need to put it in there. It's a little hot. We're gonna mix it all in. You don't want to cook your squash too much because then it comes soggy and then this process is gonna suck.
I have a bigger.
It's mixing spoon. That'd be great. Okay, now we can actually get something done. So you're gonna mix all that in and drop treats for Precious. Don't know if she'll eat it, but it's worth a try.
She can see it.
Okay, so now that I have that mixed up and I can see how much I have left, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. All right, so now you're gonna grease your glass pan, whatever you're putting it in, and then put this in. She is eating it, so she likes it.
See, Preston's got it.
Okay, so you're gonna let this bake for 15 minutes and then we will come back and I'll show you what you do next.
What degrees?
350, bake it for 15 minutes and then we'll come back. After 15 minutes, you go ahead and take it out of the oven. It should look like this. You can put breadcrumbs up top or crispy fried onions. We're doing crispy fried onions because that's what she has. And try to break them up. Okay, so you're gonna put that on, and then any kind of cheese. We're using sharp cheddar because that's what she has.
Now,
We just cut up some spring onion, so we're just putting a little bit of spring onion up top. Okay, and then you're gonna put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So we just took it out the oven, and this is the final result. Doesn't it look so good?
oh, isn't that? Oh, it looks so fine. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy for my tummy, as I always say. Oh, my granddaughter did so good. We're gonna let this cool down, and I'm gonna do a taste test. Oh, don't that look good? Oh my goodness, yummy for my tummy. We're gonna have a taste test. What you think, baby?
That's good. You hold on. It's so good. No, you try.
Would y'all like a bite? You know, I always like to let y'all have a bite first.
Is it good?
Baby girl,
See, I can cook.
you did awesome.
Here. Papa's not gonna let y'all see his face while he does it, but I'm gonna go give him a bite so you can like listen to it. So.
Oh yeah, she's gonna go do that. You know, Papa don't like to be on camera, but he likes his voice being heard. So we'll hear his voice.
Good.
Okay. Are you lying?
All right, Papa says he likes it.
I put a lot of salt in it. I didn't want to give y'all a heart attack.
Okay. All right, we're gonna end this video, but okay.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, my baby's got longer arms than I do. Oh, I thank y'all for coming along with us on this video. And oh my goodness, I thank my granddaughter for cooking this meal for us. She's been an awesome cook, and I'm so proud of her. Oh, I have been so lucky. I got to be with Marissa, and now I've got to be with Destiny, and had all this great cooking. And I'm so proud of Destiny for cooking for me and Papa, because I did have that eye surgery yesterday. So anyway, but thank y'all for coming along with us, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like and share this video. And as y'all know, we love y'all, and don't forget to go with Destiny on her channel, which is
I think it's under Life of Raylan.
yeah, so,
Or Life of Ray or something like that.
yeah.
Or Life of Lena. What is it? I don't even know. I post though. I post sometimes.
I don't know, but I will have it in this video. I'll tag her in there so y'all can follow her. And but we love y'all, and God bless y'all.
The one
And
I got says Lena Ray.
Oh, it's Life of Lena Ray, apparently.
yeah, Papa checked it out for us. But we love you. Mwah!
Bye.
Bye.